Ciao, this is gonna be a quick one. I'm gonna stretch and bake my pizza. Okay, I've got some courgettes ribbons. I would be generous because courgettes tastes like nothing almost. And roast peppers. My oven is ready, but you can't see it, so... Hello! Now my oven takes around 4 to 5 minutes for my pizza to be ready. After I bake it, I will add an extra topping here. This one. If you can guess what is it, pop a message, otherwise I will tell you in 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8, 7. It's almost ready. In I guess 1 minute and a half it will be ready, and I will add aubergine. I mean, it's just the skin of the aubergine. I peeled the aubergines, I made some very thin sticks and I fry them. They will have a nice visual effect on top of my pizza. You will see it on my page on Instagram, everywhere, when I will share it. Can you see it? It's smoking and nice. Let me add my artsy element. Okay. I will show it to you closely. Do you like it? Whee! That's me, and that's the pizza. Nice and smoky and colorful, actually. Now I cut it and I eat it. Ciao ciao!